Tubers, by now, I bet a lot of you people are familiar with these little flashlights. They take a single AA battery. And they got them stupid 3 modes, speed, whatever the heck they want to call it. Low, high, and whatever. You can adjust it to a big dot or a little dot, whatever. Anyway, if you buy the ones that have the single mode, you got to pay way more for them. So I figured out a way to work around that, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. And also, some of you are going to go, why don't you just bypass all the circuitry altogether? Think about it. Your LEDs are always 3 volts. Well, this is only 1.5. So you can't delete the circuitry totally and then just have it on your on-off switch. No, it don't work that way. And actually at first I thought, well, maybe they're doing it in the switch itself. Well, that would be too easy, and they're not. So just a little FYI, which I found out. So they got a nice little hazard sticker here. Do not shine it into your eyes. Must be that's what that means. So I don't know, maybe I better put that back on or it'll avoid the warranty. But anyway, let's start taking this apart here on the bench. And I'm going to start with pulling the lens off. Always lay all the crap in line where you're working, so it's easier to put it back together. Yeah, I thought this one was going to make a fool out of me. Anyway, I took the little pick tool in here, gave her a little more wink, and yeah, now it'll come apart. So let's see what's inside here, folks. I wonder if I should pan you in a little more. Let me see if I can here. Too much maybe? Okay. So, now we got the barrel. Nothing in there. And we're going to take the lens part out. So, the O-ring side goes on the O-ring side. Remember that. This little teeny tiny chip right here. It's got the 3 terminals on it. 1, 2, and 3. That's the one where you got to modify him. Okay, we're scraping off the oxidation off the wire here. Makes for a better solder job. So let's give her a little touch in here and see what we got. See if we can get that on there. Kind of an overkill. If it works, who cares? Okay, here we go. I'm going to try to get that tacked on there. Okay, before I show you what I'm doing here, I'm going to test her out here quick. We're going to turn the current limited on and off. And it looks like it's doing what we wish. So, let me trim that wire off. And I actually just tacked on the bottom here for testing purposes. See how this is a little different from the last one I did. I can't believe it. All these housings look identical on these things. And believe it or not, stuff don't fit together. So right now I'm trimming off that little lead that I had there on there. Get him out of the way. And if you want to see the mess I made, out of there. Almost use another flashlight to show you the mess I made. But anyway, there you go. How is that? Are we good? Okay. Let's test it once more, and then we can put it back together. Okay, get out of there. Sometimes you got to talk to these things a little bit, and they'll actually listen and work a little better. But anyway, okay, we're working, and so I got to fire up my solder sucker. We'll get the lead that I soldered on here for testing purposes. I'm going to take him off right now. Yeah, it's kind of crude, but a lot of times what I'll do instead of firing up the solder sucker, I'll just take some of this stuff, I'll heat it up a little bit, bang it on the bench or bang it on the floor, and the solder goes flying off. Okay. Yeah. That should work. A little bit of a short circuit there, you think? Okay. Get out of the way here. There we go. Pop him off. That's actually where the battery to the positive terminal connects on right there. So I'm not going to lose any sleep over. Give it the final really super inspection here. I'll tell you what, maybe I should just grab you off the camera stand. I'll shut that off. I'll show you right through the... Well, there you have it. There's my little cobble with that piece of wire. Cobble's okay if it's a good cobble. Never said I was the best at soldering, but who cares what it looks like as long as it works, eh? Okay, let's get this bad boy back together again. I'm just going to twine the wires up a little bit so they kind of stay more happy and out of the way. See, kind of give him a squish, and then he stays in there all on his own. And a little bit of extra solder residue there for testing purposes. That's no extra charge. So, okay, this went like that, I believe. If not, I'm sure you folks would tell me. That should be better. Try her now. This thing's turning into a Rubik's Cube. Can any of you do a Rubik's Cube? The only way I could ever do them things is I'd end up taking them apart and assembling them properly. And then the damn little kids come over at Christmas time and they throw them things out in like 18 seconds or some ungodly short amount of time. So, yada yada. Well, let's shut the soldering station off there. There we go. And touchy. There, clean the tip off a little. Okay. Now, for the moment of truth. Does it still work? If you got a bunch of these to do in a row, or I got them laying everywhere in the house, upstairs, downstairs, and everything. Well, look at that. First time, every time? Ain't that nice? Now, wouldn't that be nice if they actually made what they should like this, only cheaper instead of... Some sites that are like 4 times more for a single mode one, and I'm going like, are you guys kidding me? But anyway, yeah, that's how you do it if you're interested. Yeah, it's a touchy patience test, but you can see it can be done now, folks, so that's what I wanted to show you. And tell you right out, I wasn't sure if I could figure it out, but I did. Another day at the office, I guess. And then I got another one here. A friend gave me this. This thing is really nice, really nice. But once again, it's got the multi-mode, so I don't know. I'll see if I can figure this one out in the future here. Maybe I'll even make a video on it for you. Oh my God, I almost forgot the sticker. Newsflash! The big flashlight has the same chip in it, so as you can see, I did that to him too. I tried jumping it like I did the other ones, and I've seen this before. That would not work on this one. So what I had to do on the right-hand side, where that one single leg comes out of that, we had to go onto that one, and then take your pick on the 2 left ones. Either one will work. I remember that. So anyway, now the big one should be good. So something else I had to tell you. Well, folks, the proof is in the pudding. You get to witness the final test. That's the way they should be made, on, off. Can't be any simpler. Anyway, that's the way I like them, so. Anyway, that's it for my video on how to make these work like they should work, like they do work. And hope you folks come back here again sometime, so, hey, hope everything's going good for you. And things are getting better for me, just thought I'd tell that to you folks. Kind of got to do some light duty stuff here meanwhile. So, catch you again. Be good. Take care. Bye, folks. By the way, does this guy here look familiar to some YouTubers if you follow my channel?